welcome to my fake cooking channel. Today we are making any recipe that I could find that basically used up this ground chicken that I had in my fridge. So I basically found this quote-unquote sheet pan Greek chicken meatballs and potatoes recipe, and I have almost all the ingredients, so that's what we're going to be mimicking today. First things first, for the potatoes, it says just to have dry oregano, Greek seasoning, and olive oil. I have the olive oil. I have seasoning, not Greek seasoning, but I have like random seasoning. So I'm just going to be using like Italian seasoning, close enough to Greek seasoning, I guess. And so that's for the potatoes. And basically the potatoes, we'd have to bake them on that pan 15 to 20 minutes, super quick. So you guys are going to watch me chop up a potato or two, which I'm not enthused about. Great. Okay, so that's the first part. For the chicken meatballs, I don't make meatballs. I've never made meatballs, but it's a feta, onion, mint, and parsley, breadcrumb, lemon juice, zest. I don't have a real lemon, so I will just be using lemon juice, and Greek seasoning. Don't have Greek seasoning, again, Italian seasoning. And then we're just gonna mix that all together with the chicken and an egg and make 16 meatballs from that. That's a lot of meatballs. But essentially, we have everything on that list except the Greek seasoning and the what's that called, mint. So I think basically we can make something out of this kitchen. So let's, first and foremost, I already washed the chicken breast. It's kind of like super crumbly because it's like, you know, like just ground up chicken. And so I think my first step is probably going to be mixing this and forming this. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry, I can't stop doing this. Okay, so let's do our first step. I think the first step is going to be the chicken, but first I want to chop up the onion because I have an onion, but I need to chop it up first. So we're going to chop up the onion first, and then we're going to put everything in a pan, because obviously we're not going to put it in the pan that has leftover like chicken breast juice. We have another, not pan, bowl, and we're going to put it in this bowl after. But I just want to get every like step done first. So I think let's get chopping. My least favorite part, the part that I'm worst at. So let's chop the potatoes and chop the onion. Everything else is like dried or like not choppable, if that makes sense. So I don't think we need to do that. But let's put this off to the side in the back. This is where my stovetop is. It's gonna go on there. I'm gonna rinse my hand because I just was touching chicken. And then we're gonna use my cutting board, and we're gonna start cutting these potatoes and these onions. Wow, I really had to think. My brain at 11 p.m. Oh, it's 11 p.m. by the way. I didn't eat lunch or dinner because I didn't cook, because I was recording videos for the main channel. So that's why my hair's a mess, because I finished recording and I unbraided my hair. I did the whole thing. Anyway, you guys don't care. Let's just get chopping. So as per the recipe, they leave the skin on the potato. I know some people don't like skin on potato. I don't really care. I will eat it either way. So I'm kind of just gonna cut these up first and then try to make them as small as possible. And I think I'm gonna, that sounds so weird, put them in the bowl that we're gonna be mixing all the chicken mix in, because I think it's fine. I don't think it's any cross contamination because we're not doing the chicken first. I'm watching Traders Australia right now. 10 out of 10. It's kind of my least favorite, but I still like Traders. So okay, I put Italian seasoning on it, a little bit of pepper, and then 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then a little bit of garlic powder. And I hope that's enough to give this some taste. And it says to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna put these all on a pan, that's the word. I wish I could show you guys better. I'll probably like cut the camera and show you guys. Okay, so this is the potato pan. Looks like a lot of potatoes. I'll be eating potatoes for the next few days, but it looks nice and ready to go in the oven. I already have a stain of oil on my shirt. I'm gonna rinse my hand again, but we're gonna put this in the oven and then we're gonna move on to the chicken. Okay, so it's just to chop about half of an onion, finely diced. I'm not a great cutter of things, so it's not finely diced, but I chopped not half, maybe like an eighth of an onion, because I don't think we need that much onion, guys. Okay, but it said to do that, so that's done. Now let's start forming our meatballs. Yeah. That was not a great shot. Enjoy probably like a quarter of the pan. Anyway, next steps is to, oh my god, mix these ingredients together and then add in our egg and our chicken breast. Form the meatballs. Remove potatoes from the oven and then flip potatoes and then put in the meatballs. Okay, we can do this. We're great. We're chefs. We're not chefs. We're gonna try showing you guys again. That's what this looks like with all the dry ingredients. This isn't dry feta because it's cucumber feta, but it'll be fine. I'm just putting olive oil on the pan, and then I'm gonna put the meatballs. Okay, so essentially it says to put the meatballs with the potatoes, so the potato other side can get toasted. The issue I'm having is like more meatballs than potatoes, so I'm like trying to squish as many away as possible. But this is a journey. This is so fun for me. It's not. Okay, so I basically just got a third pan, and my idea right now is because I had extra chicken breast, I don't need that many meatballs. I already made way too many, so I'm just making like with the leftovers like 2 burger buns, and not burger buns, 2 burgers, and then I'll just eat these as burgers tomorrow or something and call it a day. Is this me chefing it up in the kitchen? It's not. Okay, there's a little bit left. I'm gonna make a little meatball with that, and then that's everything in this bowl. And while these things cook for about 20 minutes, I'm going to wash the dishes because my sink is crazy, and I don't want mice in my apartment, guys. Okay, so this is the final spread. These are like the hamburger, well, chicken burgers. This is like a lot of leftovers. Oh my god. And then this is what I'm going to eat now because it's obviously really late. I don't want to eat a lot. So let's do a taste test. Hello, we're on the floor. I just think the floor is like our final destination every day. So this is the potato. It tastes like a potato. Could it use more salt? Maybe. We didn't put a lot of salt on this. I don't think I put any salt in this, actually. I only put the specified seasonings. I didn't put salt. Salt would have made this better. Okay. And then this is the meatball. That's not a meatball because I don't know how to make meatballs. I don't hate it. I don't love it. It feels healthy. So it's a good healthy recipe. But yeah, this is my super late dinner. I'm kind of full because I've been drinking a lot of water because it's hot when I cook. And so now I might not even finish all this and I might put it in the fridge. Okay. Anyway, if it feels like today's cooking video, let me know. I really should start doing my hair for videos, but I'm cooking. I'm already thinking about one thing, not the other. You know what I mean? Anyway. I will probably see you guys next time. I'll probably do another cooking video soon. I don't know what I'll cook next, but this is our Learning to Cook series for a reason. We're just trying to cook better food. Bye.